In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store error 0X80244007. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, before we fix it, we've got to understand what this error actually means. So this error most commonly occurs with the Windows update or when the update service cannot properly communicate with the Microsoft servers. Now these causes can include network connectivity issues, proxy firewall problems, corrupted Windows update components, and even third-party antivirus interfaces. Even when seen in the Microsoft context, many of the same underlying Windows update components issues apply. Now, there's a few different ways we can try and fix this. So I'm going to start off with the most common causes. So the first one here is to check your internet and proxy settings. So now make sure you have a working internet connection. So open a browser and check websites. Now, if you're on a metered connection or using a proxy VPN firewall, just disable or adjust them. Proxy settings often cause update communication failures. Also, if you're using a third-party firewall antivirus, consider temporarily disabling it. Now, the next fix, what we need to do is go ahead and click into search, type in settings, and get into your system settings here. And now on the search bar, go ahead and type in Microsoft Store and then click find and fix problems with the Microsoft Store app. And then go from here, you might need to add your password depending what login you're in. So here it is here. So Microsoft Store app. Now we need to go ahead and run the troubleshooter and help prevent computer problems. So Microsoft Store apps troubleshoot problems that may prevent Microsoft Store apps from working properly. So we need to go ahead and click onto next. And now it's going to detect any problems, and if there are any problems, they're going to fix them too. So just run that little interface there. Now, the next fix is to run a disk cleanup. So we need to go ahead and clear temporary junk files. So to use disk cleanup, just go ahead and click on search, type in disk cleanup, and here it is here. So click onto disk cleanup. And now from here, it will say little pop-up's going to appear. It's going to say disk cleanup for your drive. And now where it says files to delete, we want to go ahead and choose temporary files. We can even do recycle bin here. And then it's going to show you the amount of disk space you can gain from this as well. So just run that. And now go ahead and type in wsreset.exe. This clears the store cache. So run that. And now it's going to reset your store. And now the last fix we can try is to get back in the settings here. And then choose time and language. Click on date and time. Make sure that is set to automatically on for set time automatically and zone automatically. So what happens here, if it's not set automatically, the actual wrong system time can block updates or store access. Now let me know in the comments below which fix worked for you.